Imagine your child is born blind. Every doctor tells you there is no cure. Then one day, you sit in a small exam room and hear this sentence: "We can turn the lights on your child's brain. One injection, permanent vision. The price is $850,000 per eye." Would you sign the consent form or walk away in the dark? Today, we are talking about a real gene therapy developed over decades by scientists at Cornell University and partner centers that targets one tiny defective gene which causes a rare childhood blindness called Leber congenital amaurosis, often due to mutations in the RPE65 gene. In early human trials, delivering a healthy copy of this gene into the retina restored meaningful vision to people who could barely detect light. Many went from bumping into walls to reading large print, recognizing faces, and walking independently. Here's how the science works in simple terms. In this disease, the eye's light sensors are present, but they are missing a crucial protein that converts light into an electrical signal. Scientists package a correct copy of the RPE65 gene inside a harmless adeno-associated virus. Surgeons inject that viral delivery truck under the retina. The virus drops off the healthy gene, retinal cells start producing the missing protein, and the visual circuit begins to fire again. Clinical studies show that improvements appear over 6 to 8 weeks and can remain stable for years in many patients. Newer trials are now testing CRISPR gene editing directly inside the eye. Instead of simply adding a new copy, CRISPR cuts and corrects the mutation in the patient's own DNA. In a recent trial for another form of Leber congenital amaurosis, 11 out of 14 participants had measurable vision gains after a single CRISPR injection. This is not science fiction. This is already happening. Now, the ethical punch in the stomach. The first approved vision-restoring gene therapy of this kind, vogerigene Nipper-Vovec, launched in the United States with a list price of about $850,000 per treatment, roughly $425,000 per eye. In England, the official list price is slightly lower, and the National Health Service can cover it for eligible children after negotiations. Independent health economists have argued that a fair, value-based price would be closer to $180,000, less than 1/4 of the United States list price. Here is the twist that angers many families. The scientific foundation for this therapy was built with heavy public and nonprofit funding, including major support from the National Institutes of Health and charities such as the Foundation Fighting Blindness. Taxpayers helped pay for the discovery, but many of those taxpayers will never be able to afford the cure. So parents in the United States find themselves doing something surreal, creating online crowdfunding campaigns, taking out second mortgages, or even flying overseas to countries where hospital and procedure costs are far lower, just to give their child a chance to see. Meanwhile, insurers and drug makers debate who should absorb a 7-figure, one-and-done price tag. So I want to bring this straight to you. If one injection could restore a child's vision for life, should it ever cost close to $1 million when other countries deliver the same type of therapy for a fraction of that? And if taxpayers funded the early research, should they have a legal right to affordable access to the result? Tell me in the comments. Should life-changing gene therapies be priced like luxury sports cars or treated like public goods, similar to vaccines and clean water? If you want more deep dives into cutting-edge treatments and the hard questions they raise about money, ethics, and the future of medicine, subscribe and share this video with someone who cares about health justice.